jejely. I know they find trouble, I they do my things so tenderly. Your way, but anybody will want change my destiny. You carry me go babalawo, you want stop my shine spiritually. Baba oh, parents for real. You dey fighting my battle anytime any day. Baba oh, parents for real. Make your fire dey chase them all away. Fire chase them all away. Fire chase them all away. My fire will get to level. Talk here do you win up with men. I thought that we get to mozo. Talk here do you win up with men. I did not run this way, baby. I did not worry on it being when selected. I did not run this way, baby. I did not worry on it being when selected. I come at the oh, I'm here. I do not run it. Ewoyaga ya tota ibae, ogage no kia ogage no te. Eya wewe na bongite o, iwuwa do awe hoi no bebe. See them carry their evil power, they go see good thing they want to scatter. From my back me I get Jehovah, if them try me say not under fire. I condemn me my yeah, they go want to they do you yeah. Oh no, je vis that to say me I no go blow. That to say me riba you no go blow, no. Now me telling them they know. I get the over by myself, oh. You dey fighting my battle, anytime any day. Baba oh, parents for real. Make your fire dey chase them all away. Fire chase them all away. Fire chase them all away. See I'm too big to bad for my enemies. Now the grace and the Lord will they follow me. They won't try me. They go see say I'm serving the God of fire. Too much evil na be life. Got some money there's nobody life oh. But so it's supposed to be. Oh no. Osalobo si ale lota. Baba si ale lota. Wenu si ale lota me o. Abega no wago me ma. Osalobo si ale lota. Baba si ale lota. Wenu si ale lota me o. Abega no wago me ma. Osalobo si ale lota. Abega no gapo me o. Wenu si ale lota me o. Abega no wago me ma. Osalobo si ale lota. Yeah, that's so it be. Except I get fancy.
Ryan le loto abenya no gwe no gi mage mai mo pa o no gwe no gi ma ya ge ma. Ori ma ya fe fen ruviena. Egian no gwe ni mage ma salo boisinya le loto. In Jesus' name. O cannot see one wahia. Wahia wabota o ibie edonu zomo ibile ledo talk show. Keno ibile ledo ave maya ni leleve kian ni be support with prayer ni be game ni be promote ne. Osalobo adeba wahia fe. Wahia no wewe emina na be sunu wagima weta me mama mepie mama ave gwa be gun ajo wahia fefe wa ma keni be gwa gwaji keni ma be gwa gwaji wa be ya bomeru da imaya we egbo ike be to gun afo wa be mi opa no wa be ri wo we eme na gweri ona bo eri oji egba that is eko gba no ma fo ara we kemi amosto mi dogma bude. So kwa osamega gi mami dogma be mi no mama be ni Jesus Christ no mi mafa. Wa ya fefe ni game ni vere dogui ma be mudiabugi na wakota na wa ya ma o. Wa ya wes Naija wash we have ma when we promote me go ve zega ve me. We ya ma o Salobo Adeba we gyo wa do ma wa hian ogyo wa we ama. Naija wash uda wa uge uda wa na mi pin awe. Nu we se na gi ziga gbo ye gbo. Nesi we aya gbo nu we na babuta babo we gi la igbe. Eri maka even ni Jesus Christ no mi ma fan. Oni oge Naija wash no ro. Kori toto wa ma o. Wa ma o oda wa na mi pin awe o. Kori to one of Shega Nation. Oje bota. Wa here wa bota o abeteme niga ke ni gwa asweni e ke ni maseti lisweni e. Okpa my see my gallant mama. Who be this now? Don't enter like video. Hello? Real life. No man, I will give me caso. Me as a body my icon igual the person. Yeah, it's igual. Ciao. See my gallant mama here, Mama G, Mama Susie, one of Deutschland. Deutschland odoni here, Deutsch was a wodo. Waya bota, waya bokia. Mini maoni maye gege gwakawakuta na ogoti mage lucky ahunwa. Waya we mama finish eve there, avante we ya finish eve na bet. Iya mare do mo de deri we so iya na ba be nyame. Ma bo gbaro se na ni man. Iga weni we ba van. Odo yeve ni do am odo atalojo. So the next thing was the gbese ega kuta ni maya we iwe mi. So kwa usu we mi ni ma je be di na we na we who have here let them hear what the spirit is saying. Ma je be gwa kage okuopa no waje oye yara go be social media o se mega we mega temega o da fun mega lovely o kamwela diane. So yeah, we be gwa kan ba kuta na ban ite try ni di share say no buy no gwe me majo. Mama la do me lovely lari many color no gume se David dite ni re ni man gunya gon akutana. So no. So okay is timage ahunwa lucky ahunwa no re Madrid. Madrid eri mioja no ro Barcelona. Okay ko ikedere ate amamio. Aboka ke mwezo na gumego aboka ruda odi oge mi na nasunu da. Okay gumegwa kedere ade. Ikeje setito bomete je ve agwa loto Barcelona. Ike mi wano gwa kan egwe iya zede egbo ma beri oni gwe ezona okasunu ba sokpa wege no pe ruda we social media make abo circulate we na omagin na mwela dian. Ana idomi we ite be ni egwa loto ese we o pe ani e mata gele no ge eloke ahun wan ni wi agele mi omo oye wo me va working body yan mi omo ni iya na ga sia we money we mi odo ba be egbo yi ora dan we imani o e mi nitana yan yi se we yan we mi odo ba be ibie kana ga igwa se school iya gwa ri bibie le ka fian oto iya ga bon me kulele yan e teacher ke kakabo gba okoto be bibie ka ni awe kini ado e ba na mi egwe odo iya na ido demoniji ana ido tie era vijegwe e kinu wase awe monado ge kini ado be e school yan kibieka e drosi zebe no wase no ro akeri ego bokpa o kan ke mi ekwegwe emineri yan vijin ewu no gbese kishin ugbeso agabi palo bi yan aku yan webe keke ewu ogwa ya ebi no ye gometi igi mi lucky ahunwa omo enikin no na gidi egbe ele boe Barcelona awe akolo wa severi oni han obo ka kole okagbe te ka we no zin egbe ni emi e ma eru da akamu go gi okagbe na wi mu then ije no mo ka continue no jo ke gi mi egbe na ni anari okwo igo ni anari lawa be ni ana mi igo ri lawa iya ma be ni ya seri ebo ni na ja even adegwe mugo joko hu umagidi okwo nu ja even bo wo ka kebe nu ja even bo ni u ja seri ebo imi ogwa a o keke a we nu seri ruda egire gbe ni ebo nu we ja even lebo nu ja mo oge bae ora nu ja ka gwe ofio gwe jo ha gu mi o ma no ka emu ga lo bi eke awe anomani omani ke be ka gwe egbe mi beri o masunu yin ma mege ni ya gbo pe ani igun egbe me beri o then oni na bolufa then ari kolo ka gbe bo keke na ruda magun abe de ke ka we no kolo ka gbe na enu no ka gbe o ka gbe ke ka we yin egun yagun gegi yake ikami we na ka on ne wo no pe na ri ejo gwa nu ene a conclusion on it conclude eyan ni ro gwa kan gija we mi egbe when okwo ni ari ejo gwa ka gun akewe bore ne ake seri okwo no di oyin family baseki no ga me me ga je mi egba be gbere ri oni so nugwa mudia nugwa dame otima ruda ogwe be ri ewu nu no jakin unu no tai unu no jakin na ri ese unu no tai gumeti enu wa dame yo aya wese oh
Hello, mama.
mare la video ne o igwenu la nu ka mi ma be no
Okay.
be no ka gberi gun ahewe o wa won we ko lo ka gbe be no ika egbe na mudia kokwo no re ewe bo yet get it so la gwi ma gun
Okay. This time we might be broken.
e broken e here akwara ku gberu da na senebo na ri enwe
Okay. My people, good evening. Oh.
aya won
I greet the house. I greet everybody. God bless you all for listening to me and for this evening. So as our parish about the matter where Mama present last week. So he said this week he go bring down. He go bring am back again so that the man he go call her and he go hear say we dey look for her for social media. That's why Mama and the matter that day. That thing today now he not hear from the man. So as our people, I can't call I call their family. I call the brother of the man, where the man just seen his name is Felix. I call that one. I said, see what they happen. How you take reach your brother now? We can return the cost and take care of the children. That one just start to be insulting my man, my papa, insulting the enemy. So I just hang up with that one. I call their family elder, which is beneath the call Okagbe, or tradition they call Okagbe, the head of the family. If they want to do anything, the best way they do this something will be the senior. I call that one. Really, that man really talk to me well as a father, as a responsible man, and everything. But the message when they say now, I say tell that man say, okay, Papa, I give you 1 week. He said, may I give you 1 week? He go call there, may he ask there how they want to do it. That time he tell them make them not try that thing. Because that lady is a blessing to them. That lady is a charge of God. That lady, he not see anything where that lady do bad, where she deserve that kind of insult. He say he stop them. They say lie. Now the useless lucky Aunwa siblings, the same father, the same mother. Now they organize that show where they take stress my sister, where they use her swear. That man say no get hand for his side. So he still they tell them, even if you watch that video reach the end, you go see where that man the conversation and the appearance, you will really know say that man is so the man called there, he said, may I give him 1 week? May I call her back today? Really? I call back today. He said, he sit there, he know blah, 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 like the one even show. So the man come see me, I call her back again around 2 o'clock because he felt come. That was 2 days ago. He no see better, he no hear better word for him mouth. So he come tell me go rethink am. This one a serious matter. So the man come tell me I come back again today. Really, I call it the morning. When I call it the morning, he said the man never reached them. Then I still come back in the evening again. Before in the evening, like 2 o'clock, the man want a show. He go hear from her. So I come back again, 4 o'clock. When I come back 4 o'clock, the man come tell me say, the way the senior brother of the useless Lucky, I don't want to talk. He not say any seriousness. He talk and say, the way it be now, the family something, they will go, may we give her time, anytime, he go find, he will tell his brother on this side, waiting brother talk, his wife, he go hear. So may know as he want to give the reply and so he know reach so he not get anything we want to talk. Like brother, like they will decide for this side. I say really. I say okay, no problem. As to talk Papa, no problem. We don't endure this reach since 10 years. Waiting they put 3 years. We maybe like something they use for my sister. Maybe my sister not even remember the matter or not to talk of her, but the time when God say rich now.
Yes.
So may we see what will happen. Now I let the papa know say anywhere where I know say that they turn this kind of matter, we could take the matter go there. May try me return the cost and take care of the children. So the man say okay, any action when I want to take. You know, will stop me that I'm right to take any action. He talk to them, they don't listen, and they don't want understand. So now we think will fit up with that. That's okay, no problem. Now I lead the mouth. So my people, now so I will carry. Since that day, now I think the matter don't they go to wisdom. Lucky, the useless Lucky, that people Lucky. You know, don't say no here. As far as they did this life, they breathe. No. Where person not the year what they happen for this like that, yeah, not the rich. As far as they reach there, even though like prison, you must hear what they happen. So the useless have been lucky. You know what bring itself come out, you know can't have something because you know concern. You don't rule for your say no that woman get. Even though she did okay, she did okay with the children. No concern. I bet my people more than me choke man, more than me judge, more than show me the road when I'll pass. I need help and assistance from you guys, please. I need to help. I know what my sister just did there, like coach with the tie for one corner again. So I know what even me as me the talk for years. So I can't say Europe too far. It's too far for Nigeria. If they say that Lagos me day, I know the action when I will take. But who will fit that action for me now as me will take up by myself? Except the blessed one. So not be everybody they get that kind of time. So the thing they eat me like or total they boil for fire. Because the human being now they talk so what be good. Even though like goat or fowl, the owner he will still need the thing. Not to talk of human being. A woman that give your husband life, bright life, future. So it really did summer. Thank you all. This is how I know reach for this last one. Thank you all.
Thank you, my sister. Where's it? Okay, now where you might be? So, when you matter about talking, so area test. So even make it suggest. Because of what to me as a cocobo, no, so that is no nyagi gwetwe. So when no jena, we no gi every ayati gwale o man na. At first body measure. Ruda me ahama we bagwe nuga lerun. My sister, bonoma 20 de to emi ego salo bo ege ya leli yan fe boruda ogwo ma no ma sa we nege ro Yesu although at time we Bible give what belongs to Caesar, what belongs to God. So omega na we give an enemy to Caesar, or we make na we give it to God. But for this case, that man, the thing way he do that woman, he no good. Even though he no marry am, he say the family don't help him, as we talked before. But you go take care of your children. Not be say you go just abandon the children with the woman with the 5 juju when you go take and swear. Although yakita wa vebo amari gboma avebo agboma so kwa mari rio na be the truth na they gather the woman they go since then. So I still pray to God, may God still help that woman in Jesus name. So may God still protect her and the children in Jesus name. So God go show way when there is no way. Lucky ahunwa I don't know how to put picture for my YouTube. For those they do, I'll call tomorrow. May they teach me how to do it. Your picture for the because the one when I do that, then I know if enter. My mind tell me say it's too long, so my picture not go the long. Too my program not go the 1 hour 30 minutes. I'll cut and re-enter again. Now the lucky I won't want be this. If anybody they will know, because when I send this picture, go my that place now. What is they call am? Barcelona, be Barcelona. Once that person don't know, I say, you know, now, understand? So, since when they take the children, when they do kelewa for their children present, now the show come knock when they collect the children. So, you understand? So, now so the show take end. So, if anybody get advice, when we want to give this our sister, make it call in, make it give her the advice. We not say we know if he do anything, but our God, you know, say person hope person money, get what they take to draw the money. Now so now, you get what you go take draw the money when you go see your money. Abi, now so. So my people, if you not go feel advise the woman, now go if you not get anything you want to advise her, Mona call him, Mona advise her because I go cost this video before I go enter our real program of today. Our real program of today, it don't tell what we do the time when we do pastor when they part over. They say, yeah, boy, you know what they do now jealousy. Then now this one not be my girl. This one not be the one where they hammered. Excuse me, all of them now. The one where they do now, this one a woman to woman. So now that one we want to do today. I don't get lovely nobody. Nobody want to take call on that. Then in daughter home. I block her. I call her. You know go now. I can't block her because now in daughter home she talk that day. But I don't get them at all. I they try to call since make I for ask the number of lovely. May lovely for send me all those details. Maybe for take and talk. But although if I not still see her before I close, I go see. Use my sense talk because now waiting person see now they take the talk because I don't first see all these things pass. So nobody to advise this our sister, tell her what to do or how to do it. Nobody. We get 55. If somebody there to tell and say, sister, may you still do her like this, whether na prayer, everything, whether you go even do salt and water, all those things like that, or olive oil. Okay. Now this one, mama boy. Now look at that, mama boy. Okay. Okay, yes. Thank you, ma. Thank you. So, thank you, ma. Is there anybody here to say something about this, our twin sister? They be twins. So, if nobody, me with her go talk after I close this. Oh, this my eyelashes stand well because this one be fine. They don't they try. It don't they try for y'all. See you. They don't they try. Hello, ma. Hello.
Hello, come on. What's up?
In your jail. Yeah,
Only one thing we want for this matter, Mama, since the man no respond as you talk and reach. Many people when they Barcelona don't hear this issue. Many people they don't hear her.
Well.
They don't hear this issue. You understand? So some say they don't say when they see and reach. Very big city. In big well. Understand? So then what do you want to advise our sister? Since she don't talk to the elderly man for the family, which where we they call Okagbe. The Okagbe say whether you talk to all those kind of things. Wait till me one talk. As well say Lucky that yes sister husband now from Benin. All of us will be Benin. I just want to take good for years. So make it carry on, go where them for where our ancestors they. The one way pass on. If they call her, it must
go there.
So back, you understand? Is the Okagbe with this social media? They don't call their home. After the Okagbe with this social media, the Okagbe they get for their family. Now this is their family member, not fit talk out. Then Okagbe with this social media now, they don't use that way. It not come. So fana, make it carry and go. That town, you understand me?
Yes,
you carry and go either that place for that Nigeria. Either you carry and go somewhere else because this one is about this one traditional matter.
Yes.
I wait to concern life. Now wait to concern say you say woman do something. You use that face swear not be evil even
another juju wey dey their village.
You understand? You give her 3 years, not to do one for that 3 years.
10 years.
Later now, you not still marry the woman again. You use her face swear finish. You can say humiliate her, abandon her. You understand? Very bad. So the thing we missing for this matter, Mama, either make it carry and go our Swampa, make it go somewhere, or make it carry and go our palace. That took place.
Finish.
You understand? That took place. If there's someone, it must answer. You understand? Because I don't have to wait go to Majo almost to answer. So I be that one. There are other things when the only way to believe people do go to not vessel. We are those people to do women online. Say, why it be say, I know say now all tribe night when I believe people night come and pass. Why it be say, if you now brother marry, if they eat with their wife get misunderstanding, or the woman will boyfriend get misunderstanding, why una they always they support una brother for evil? Una go they happy say una brother abandon that woman, abandon that especially women wey dey. What about you where they support your brother for this kind of evil? You still go marry tomorrow. Your husband, people still do the same thing to you. You go happy. You go happy. You know good, eh? All those kind of bad habits where our maid they do now say, the thing where our maid don't like now, they go just give you belly. You go born for them. Only you go carry belly, only you go born, only you go train the children. After you don't grow, either they say that is my daughter or that is my son. But not call them, they come carry their responsibility.
No.
Immediately you call the same, they can't carry their responsibility. And that they will be like dog when they cut one of his leg, where you don't enter bush here again. Snake where they call half where you don't enter bush here again. You know why you are? Yeah, oh, but me not the one that they carry their responsibility. You know good, eh?
No good, no not
change. You know good. I bet me we they stop all this one because that belly now you pregnant time. Especially people who take Europe for inside, you know, say even though you know if you carry the own responsibility, okay, at least if the people come for Piki send 50 euro, you go pay 25 euro, the woman go pay 25 euro, half. Now normal, have to pay children. But men, not the one that could carry on a responsibility.
At all.
Very bad, because that belly now you do one, now you get those children. Because even though the woman even do you something. Say the something where the woman to say it bad, but those children, they are innocent. They don't do anything. At all. But some of you now just carry little mistake. Use that to rob the children because you don't want to carry on a responsibility. You know good, eh? At all. And now where they support my brother, where they do this evil. You know they pay me, many of you are not in my house. You understand? Now the God of innocent women when I see the fight. That's all the God see the fight on her back. Because the same person where better, they look at another person's house. Another person see the way see they look you.
Yes.
You understand? Me any of you or any sister-in-law, brother-in-law, when me don't see, say not let his brother home or his sister home settle. They know they always they get peace for their home. They know they get peace. Yes, especially the women where they make una take una time. All men for Europe, they could go carry that responsibility. Any man will not carry responsibility. If you not send a man where you born for say paper is the no, you know what carry responsibility. They do say, oh, you born not will come. I beg. Anything where you want, if you not fit go carry law, you can't go get that police station. Go report if you know you need. The police call and you go. If they carry and go for the tell and say this money you must pay them. But not they keep quiet, they loot them, and I make if for Igbo don't born, if they leave their wife, their children, they don't the one make them born another pikin again because that responsibility, they fear and pass another thing.
Yes.
If you say you like Igbo way pass our black, they'll say you be racist. No, bien the Nigeria. Ebo me van okay you for me no we gbe apele ni oh lord yes because the responsibility no ero to my
setting
you get dog man wa we follow wa e ko kefo so we pay am we ko no be we ma think about the future of the innocent children to wa de agbona abe wa ma ya no ma be bi o be ja na egbe won ya
at all.
It's getting too much it's getting too much, very bad. Anybody no see me ona to manebe no bi o me pe ohun na e gba gomo ni e bi e afasi ni kin ari ne me ma kedo mala ke e police station ya report e ari report o le police station e umana mi go ya le lawyer ari free lawyer no ama ko mo 300 euro dey 50 euro na we no re ge o kan be every month o ma na pay o ni apie nya e court ya we go re am ya count o kan the court we lo ni ne you no te pay o part of right tax to no pay the court yes discipline and everybody on here change because of bonoton e man Africa go along yes if there we make it who wapi ofini akwa Africa amugwele wepo ne we not to happy o be wepo we beg the God of innocent children we beg no ya judge here now we dey abandon the carry no mazeni ai the God of that innocent children now turn against you. The children when you say na be your own at that money now you born for abroad they collect am for your hand
from you
now so you say na honoring hands now because of the head of the children when you are for Nigeria now it push you enter that problem. You be dog any man wey dog boy ya so egbu ba ya si wa ma we ya e wa be kita wa ya
e ke mo be abi ne
o mo wa ri se
wa ri se yo afi ne ita to ta
ni afi e ko wa salo ba me go to ala o wa igba we ne bi gba ga say school ni awo we say school ni o yi go bi o kari e ne ke do kekede ne o ba fata na so fata la se ma se ko fata la se
let's give him peleka
because you know my
give him peleka ya vandalize no ya vandalize no Emma yes egbe very honest for ibieka ni mai no pe ba aho egbiyan iyan viera vije aho egbiyan wo gba ba iyan
very bad Osma brother and Osma sister ogi me ni o wa lo ti wa ete ogi me lo ti te me no wa gwana ogi me o wa lo ti te ni a imi aba ti ri iyan ya fefe o iyan ya fefe no wa involve we ne family ni ya se gbe ni me pe na ro ri artist ni o ka gbe social media almost to matter iyan o iyan ma o almost to tie mo fe imuela jane ni iyan o yen jawe yes wa gbe akayu e ma wa re wepo the document that wepo e responsibility wa ase ma won e jawe wo mo no pa wo be bua ye imuela jane be social media ma na gba ko me the picture that take gbede piece yo imu ye Facebook e jagbon because of an ragbon no carry responsibility is dead among the living. Yes, I will bury you before your time. If I the picture that take the recipe to job, then you.
La wo my
say. So too much. It's very bad, very very bad.
Emma, okay.
Emma nia. Ogwapa agba ogwomo. Uwa omo na when we to carry responsibility we all backward. We are when we fear when we have few we say we ni better we a problem is all or call my video we yari oku obe. So mo we no be agiri ni we ko komo ni be do me. We okay. Umari get like you mo why nowhere have you eaten? So we are go here no man get like you never know have you eaten. Well we no we call it how is your school? So we are go pay school when go to school. What that what tell nonsense. Anybody no sick me or when they are parapama like me market. If you know say your husband not take care of your children, come meet me. I go follow you. Yale le wepa kuku pe ne to bi me. Eri mi ave epote. Bega I do that mene. O ba me la tell social media because o pe o ba ka se nwa. Ona fu ero. Ati bi omo. Yen ya support to wa boyo. Wa gogojo we. O tun wa gba owo mo no pie. will take time because although I nemesis wa fe ko wa be agbona ana honestly me like agbona e fire agbona o e fun because I don't believe in what one if one with the gbegbe agbegbe ya live that no if I ma ko agbona na wa ro e
agwa no ge do kochara gbegbe agbona arianu sike baria we agbona pa hi ase
okuoki umobome okay gari o wa ke kan we person oje o ma na be bi o sa bo be ri omo be nu e o tun gbe no pe aro bie ko ke mo no bie ubi ari just jo we o tene aguma kokin e bo ite we ta be
no ena na koke o ga me
o wa mo àwọn no gwa le bi bio e just stupidity the Spanish te tonteria ani ayi to ye agbone tell ki wọ́n ti na kí pattern da do get tell ki on sasi wo masasi we ukin ari ogbejo wa agba because if pattern go yato bo we do either you like it or not ona akwe nonsense how come na just sister lo me matter marry ata na ata na sister marry wa gegbe me pio marry ya ti ezo ye padi no mu ari o to gedi ma no ko ede go ya fefe ya ti ezo bi ba ba ni kuro no ma because e be traditional na we no cause dey that you humiliation na kina ja be fe bodo na humiliate una pardon oku ni o e mo ni ma be to ewe oku na ga wo akoke mo na some men are very heartless mani ko ga reason e matter wa why can I enjoy iko na reason e matter wa why can I enjoy because oku ga you gbe na we isa dem ma oku na wa ya ri for the police statement the ma only wey dey gbe anybody when you go dey pay ita wa mana ni no sunu because the person got feel boy your man go ya land vision if na what one no go it's a person no go do na sister una go do another person and a baby already on the panel their sister that is their sister husband if he talk to their sister they will say if ni amu ke gbe ya ki amu era mo talk
kakabo
e no mi mega die be de no gbe ma gwari efo ne o ti o da fun abo ti o ne kere mo da fun abo me misunderstanding or ye fun o fe but not obo ko da fun ti o we ke na me yan le legbe na o da fun ti na no be dokpa we lare e o ko no pe lenu gbe ba de so wa gbe ya we push back in era bi yo bi o
okay
e family e gbugbe wa le a ye me e gbo tu ni o do are fun threaten ni
Ediano
o do are fun threaten ni abogba no selu lady so po yan ke no my sister mu are ke no amu are e gbogba ti opo ma do amu are la o answer too much it's getting too much when I quit nonsense don't go ni magi strong go givo e ba no na do mi pe ka yo do ale le kan ki takia abi jo ki be we po abi arrogance be we ba me mo no ra be we po abi o e chama te no mo se chama rie o puje ama te no mo se o do ali ko mo e mi o ja do so lo pa mo na ne ke mo ni ma pie ne ki ma mo ga bi ne ki mo ga bo
ise o
mo na ko
ise
ipi àwọn aba ewa ma pepe wa ya kokko ni wa ga iwe ko ni ku on ba lu ero ba the best for wa fi ni ne ko
when you get the wu ye wa ga wu because the robert wa ga wu ma lo po wa ga tete wu wa aje mi na wa the toilet roll ji wa the shampoo ji wa ya mi nekwa wa ga ri wu
mother son do mo na bi ba ko de mother son ba to buba awe e ma no baba de sigomoda agbe sigomoda e ipe aje ne sigomoda ya fun eya Ipeso wo mami no do masha because they not see me na wa gwana so people no ba de gwana no ba de ri mo pe o ba de je wo ko o gba ni bebe pie na ye be koke mo if ni bebe pie we po me to mo gba o be o ba de to mo ma mu me bugbe last year mo ne bugbe o ka de mo de ke lugbeje o ba ni to se ne si go father ni o mo de country o be country o be ni medo asane si go father no gbe no mo egwe can you imagine
man
the medo asane declaration we the medo asane declaration to we e na ne you very akase you know
I just love you no
can you imagine
the concability
go osaba go me love na you here how much they sell for market who love help o gba no love oku all they carry all they responsible
yes
o bona ya moko o pia tu ba mo kwa na mi so understanding ijopo no bi enu go ri efo wa ti ebone o de ko pe another said taba go ele pe love we God for people God for peace ami egbo Emma they should stop it Ono say me na wa kana because to be me no wana. Ono say when me anari me ye judge na judge case na. I make wa suma job we na jaba gbe bahagi. Taba you come for me. Ye because argument of already make be. It's almost the same thing. Yes. It's almost the same thing. I can do okwo akokomo. Uwe kokomo no pere e di value. Akwa ka jebere ope anugbe jebe mare no jebe gbe kokomo ni. O jebe apamisi ka kopa ni no to target. Benugbe na the document na webu. Illegal work here, you cannot carry you cannot even take your responsibility as a man. Then no matter no okay, who go money man here say. Yes. Or when they don't all do pick me up. It may back 2020 now. They go maybe argument or maybe tap. Make that say me ya you. Is that we body the people ya.
Oh bingo.
Man get social media. Yes.
La mo na
no sense. Eria ma ya we. O se ni na mo ejo. Yo nya gbe ya.
Mwere.
Se no ti o pa me ke ko na pa me re. Mama ga me no se mi na ye we no se ni na ta if you mo wa take time. Ari if you mo ti o do wa take time. Did you know mama we o ti ro bi no Italy. O ma gbe ma mo le do pa. O ti o pa ne kere na deport. Or when no time in May, and then I can have a which is 2013. Or when no come in May, ni maybe go near the area by going to Yamotiano in it. Can you imagine?
Imagine the concombility.
My very may have misunderstanding. Or you change the Motapa, over the top man going to make a money. Now go my viewers. Now, woman, they give man money up in a man, and they give woman money.
They don't turn out. They don't change her, my sister. Do you not see that one that they wait?
Can you imagine?
When you they disgrace that woman for go, when they give the matter to go. Now you mark from concrete. Now you still count 500 euro. Give the man. The man still they talk say 500 euro. When no rich money, when they take the fee carry phone 500 euro.
Can you imagine? No, na Igbo give her.
They are
not the trial.
I will got money. I will tell you why I will gift you know we have a birthday. You know what, guy?
Oh, my baby, only said of fuck even. May well, instead of me to use my money, the mayor will pay very. You go the way for better vegetable in the theater of Pekbu Logani. In Yakokia.
Bewa woman.
In Jak.
My
You want it another, but they give you a school that come and see Boma Kama. You want it another. All those stories who can on social media now. Well, I don't have a story that money social media now. Well, I who the matter. Almost so you want win another year. Yes. Almost no man we were on Facebook. Who can vote by Okoto?
And what
do I because a meaning at time or reasonable almost to pick him where you want.
Kakabo.
Understand? Well, we are just social media. Here, we are just social media. We are looking at a boy day.
Yes, my brother, all more bars. Now, because they give woman money. They don't turn out to another.
Yes. All the women where they married us now, we go to reflect. Now, this social media, now, I keep the night drive the entire house.
All of them.
All those men where they see football before. Now, this social media, now, I drive the entire house. This social media, it changed a lot of things from bad to good. Although so many good and bad still there, but it changed many people from bad to good.
Yes.
Shetro must stop. Again, they have to do Pangolomu. Here, you don't money. Or my possible no car, you only have to women here, the social media. Oh, when I tell you what, no, where I want me a baggy and get by to large of social media, money there. That of it, so I did be a pregnancy quote. Never carry responsibility. Is there now the one? A picture was on a large no give me no give me no ya was say o ya ya zige o no for you give me honor that you make who are the problem where ya cut oh when that time the president by sugar no ya Facebook give me where police station I don't care when they be jere ni eri oji yes we met to the photo no more where have you eaten then we man said together here why no how is your school? But where got the pay school fees there? Umazige school. I know we don't know your paradise where you have your brother do. Who want die?
Nobody want everybody want go heaven.
That everybody want to go to paradise. It's not good. Them not they change. Make una they change. You understand? Make una they change. E no se me na buy o to na me mo gi me na I ma boy aka se de pe are cutting officially ma boy ya deal with it. Only on ti no be phone. No gi ti me. E ba ogi ya ka wa gun ya da do be ka wa again. Again ya no wa the phone ti re boy a o ma nu be we only provoke me. Only to pass so ave ni wa start. Ona down again. I swear to God because of my easy. O ma easy ye yo pe ti ara go ni mi akoko mo no kan o ma dey possible. Emi efa no ida udi na we wo ero money iwa egbe jesi ya dedemera iwa ni mo egi jesu ade ake me mo na je ni dede wo
me mabaga me sister na
ma we have to stop it sister wo sister e mata na mo ari o na kwa be mata na ari Nigeria aya to le wo to ni o ma se sister wo ya fefe ene na yo Barcelona ene ki no to o sa lo pa be position oge we to no ro
sister wake up 2 minutes
so that is my contribution.
We see ma hello ma we gbeko because if my can find the video na ni me na la a topic or a pastor so when matter about sister do ye go maru vien men when he gets our topic maybe next week Saturday men when not they take their responsibility hello ma
hello mommy where you here
you vient
okay la otanu watana waka bojeni e ma ke ma be no ro ya eri oro wo ku meje gbe ya ti ba wa o pe o no bia no makoke wala wo go ba pe ananya
kakabo
akuri ananya o pe no bia no makoke
awero wo ku
makoke na kule
at the end of the day we nene no mo do fin ba enu wetin dey worry you
uda bia ta koke no money do and so they why they struggle with the money that we're burning. Why they struggle with the money that we're burning, or do I wear the money that the money DJ the money that is the DJ. Bema radio ni lala na kumi amwe pompi oro wo na kumi amwe pompi na kumi atamia be ne apia apia ogadia na ma ogadia na le ma ogadia be ejebe maya
ehin akwa
da otu agbe ogi me oye igbo oye nyati ata degbedemu so aware ihwo ni buegbe aware pia ni buegbe de babi ko no wu ni akin agbegbe ni ja ge kian pakumi anaya
ma wa ho
ko yan weje
wesi
yegu eru vien
okay wesi so already lucky nenemi he can end there. I want to come in with fake pastors. He can end on now because a video me you can download the a YouTube more tag be allow apart from short one. Say message in here when you get 1 hour or 1 hour 30 minutes. Or agbera video he said to download the a YouTube me. So I hope my base 1 hour now. Or anyhow it be. So may we stop this one. May we enter that prophet, fake prophet people, pastors. May we enter that one. We need to debate on it because our people they are falling victim every day by day. So may we talk. My own, you know, say I will decide when me the reason they go. They different though. Maybe I feel enter now. I will change again. They go another side. But everybody go still talking your opinion. You know me. So let me stop this one and re-enter again. Okay. Make a log out, make a re-enter. 5 minutes.